Hey guys, Super Guys Guy here. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung SSD A40 Evo. This is the latest generation of the Samsung SSD, right after the A40, the A30 Pro. This is the A40 Evo model. This is the 500GB version. It's pretty amazing how fast the price has been dropping with these, and also the increasing performance. This one gets about a sequential read and write. I think the read is about 540 megabyte and the write is about 520 megabyte. And for 500 gig, this is the price previously you have to pay close to $1,000 to get something SSD in this capacity and not nowhere near the performance. But now this one I just got for $260. I mean, for a little more, I think $300, I could have got the 750 gigabyte. And there's a reason I didn't opt out for the bigger SSD. So the package is very simple. Solid state installation guide. You just install it as any other 2.5-inch drives, and then you get stickers. That's cool. Samsung SSD activated. Put that aside. Solid state warranty statement for the A40 Pro, A40 Evo, and A40 series. And you get the manual and software. If you don't want to use the disk, but make sure you check out the just Google for Samsung SSD migration tool. What it allows you to do is basically transfer the data from the existing drives onto the Samsung SSD, so you can essentially upgrade to an SSD without doing much work. So I will be upgrading from a Intel 320 SSD into this Samsung A40 Evo. This is a lot faster than Intel. Reliability is right up there, as you can see, the SATA connection and power. Does not come with a bracket for you to mount this onto a 3.5-inch drive bay. So you need to get that separately if you want to use in the desktop environment or just use laptop. That's great, fits perfectly. It's really light. There's nothing at all. Of course, no moving parts, so extremely durable. The reason I didn't go for the 750 is because this right now is going into my existing desktop as it is. I'm waiting for the new Haswell refresh coming this summer. Then I'm going to get another one to set up as a RAID 0, essentially. Is it RAID 0 the striping mode? I think it is. Yeah, basically set up to do the striping mode. So hopefully I can get about 1 gigabyte per second read and write out of 2 of these. So yes, 750 gig is an option, but then again it's $320 and I have to buy 2 of them. $640 is a little bit more than what I want to spend. 520 sounds a little cheaper, but anyways, and I don't need that much storage, I guess, because everything's offloaded to a NAS. And the Intel drive this is going to replace is going to my new server. So I'm doing a new server project first before the desktop, because I came across a Blade server that's fantastic on its own or in data center environment where I have the space and room for it. It's great, but given the limited space I have and the amount of power and noise that thing makes, I decided to strip that into a standard computer, well, not standard computer case, in a larger computer case, and make it a standalone server to do what I want without, increase my power bill by a lot or create a lot of noise in the closet in my office. So this is what basically a temporary solution of getting that SSD to use in the server. At the same time, I still have a desktop to play video games. So this is a pretty simple upgrade. Essentially swap it in, boot it up, clone the drives, unplug the old one, make sure the boot order is in place, and you're done. Always make sure to upgrade the firmware on these. And there you have it. If you haven't already, there should be no reason why your personal computer or desktop workstation should not be running on one of these, at least as a minimum as an OS boot drive. If not, I mean, there's no reason anybody should not consider one of these. It's still the best upgrade you can buy with money. That's kind of redundant, Everything you buy with money. Anyway, yes, it's one of the best upgrades you can buy. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions. I really, really think everyone should get one of these SSDs. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions. Post them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.